If you want to add travel card into the iPhone 17 Pro Max, just go into the settings. Now you have to go below and you will have to open Wallet and Apple Pay settings. Over here, just go for Add Card and select Travel Card. Now you can find all of the different regions, the China, Canada, and United States or South Korea, and some other one. Basically pick yours, like Smart Trip in the United States. You can transfer existing card or add the new one, and here you can add amount that you want to apply. Click add, and now you can add the payment method. And here you can just simply use your credit card, and let's select, for example, this one. Click to continue. Now you can put the iPhone on your card or enter the details manually. Click continue and just follow on-screen instructions. But that's basically the place where you can actually find that option to add travel card.